I am not going to waste your time. In this video, I'm going to show you a simple strategy to make up to $7,000 a month on TikTok just by posting videos. You need to follow this method exactly as described to see results. This method is 100% proven and has worked for many TikTok creators who are making a ton of money using it. So, here's how this method would work. First, we need to select a popular niche. Next, we'll find a product in that niche to promote. Finally, we'll make videos to promote that product and post them on TikTok, earning commissions through TikTok Shop affiliates. To find a trending and hot niche, there's a tool called Shoplus.net, designed only for TikTok Shop affiliates. This tool helps you to find trending niches and hot-selling products. The good part is that you can also see other creators using this tool and their viral videos. Now, let's take a look at how this tool is used. Go to the website using the link in the description and sign up for a free account. Right now, Shoplus provides a free trial to everyone, so visit the website on PC to get this offer. So once you are in, you will see this dashboard in front of you. One of the best things about this website is that it allows you to check analytics of top creators according to specified countries. You can change the country settings here to see relevant data of your target audience. If you want to know about the latest TikTok trends, simply go here and click on Trending Topics to find the latest trends on TikTok. There, you would see the latest hashtags that are going popular over the last 3 days. From here, you can also view the top-selling shops. This information would help you choose your niche properly. Now, if you want to check out the fast-growing products, click on this tab to see all the available niches. Here, you would see multiple categories for the products. For example, if you select the pet supplies niche, you'll see all the sub-niches within it. This will help you to find a trending and profitable niche. Now, to find trending products related to your selected niche, simply go back to Shoplus, and there click on Fast Growing Products tab. There, choose your desired country, which you want to target, and then, from the category drop-down option, choose your desired category for the products. For this video, I will select a food supplement option from the health category drop-down menu. Once you are in, you would see this screen where you can find multiple trending and hot-selling products in that sub-niche. From here, you can look at the results from the last 7 days. Make sure to choose a product that has a commission rate of 10 to 20% and has generated at least over $100,000 in revenue in the last 7 days. And just like that, you can find a high sales product. You can also find a hot selling product by viewing videos with this tab right here, which is called Videos with the Best Sales Performance. Okay, so if you want this tool, you can use this promo code for a discount, but this promo code will only be applied after your trial period ends. This website provides all the information you need to become a successful TikTok Shop affiliate. Now, let's move on towards the video creation step. For our video, I have selected this supplement, which is called Liver Defend by Clean Nutra. Okay, once you have selected the product, it's time to create a script based on that product. Remember, the script needs to help us sell the product we chose, so a strong hook is very important to get the audience completely attached to our video. So, to write off my hook, I will simply go into the ingredients list of the product I chose, copy the ingredient, and then simply ask the chatbot to tell us at least 15 benefits of that ingredient individually. Now, here you can see that milk thistle contributes to healthier skin by reducing acne, eczema, and signs of aging. So to write our hook, I would say,
if you have acne on your skin, take milk thistle to contribute to healthier skin by reducing acne, eczema, and signs of aging.
Now, repeat these steps for the next ingredient too. As you can see, the chatbot told us that dandelion boosts the immune system with its high levels of vitamins. So again, I would simply write,
if you are sick, use dandelion because it boosts the immune system with its high levels of vitamins and minerals, enhancing the body's ability to fight infections and diseases.
After the whole script is ready, now it's time to introduce our product at the end, just like our sample video. For that, I would write,
This natural herbal remedy blend combines all 3 of these supplements plus many more into a blend that contains all the natural herbs your body needs. It's called Liver Defend by Clean Nutra, and you can purchase them from the TikTok shop below.
And just like that, we completed our script in a few mins. Now, it's time to generate pictures according to our script. For that, simply tell the chatbot to generate a prompt for you which explains the first line of your script in detail. For example, in our case, I would simply tell the chatbot to generate a prompt explaining a face full of acne. I also told the chatbot that this prompt would be used in generating AI images. And to be more specific, I explained to the chatbot to keep the prompt detailed, concise, and compact. As you can see, it gave us an outstanding result. Now, I would simply copy-paste this prompt in the Leonardo AI website. And in there, choose the Leonardo Lightning XL model, and as we are making a short video, make sure to select the 9:16 ratio. As you can clearly see, the website gave us outstanding images. This way, you can easily generate images for all of your script. Let's take another example. Our next line of script talks about milk thistle. So for that, simply copy-paste the above prompt again in ChatGPT, and instead of explaining a face full of acne, replace it with the appearance of milk thistle. Now simply copy-paste this prompt in Leonardo AI and hit Generate. In a few minutes, you would be getting some outstanding results. I hope now you would have a better understanding of how to generate pictures. As our script is ready, it's time to convert the script into voice-over. For that, we will use a software called 11 Labs. It has multiple professional voices to choose from, and you can even clone your own voice. Now to generate the voiceover, simply paste the script in the 11 Labs, and from the drop-down menu, choose Adam's voice because it's the same voice that has been used by many creators for their TikTok videos. Click here and your voiceover would be ready in a few mins. Now, it's time to bring in all the assets together. We would be using CapCut, a free editing software. Just sign up for a free account and you are good to go. By the way, you can use any other softwares also, like Premiere Pro or After Effects. So, first import all the necessary files into the CapCut for the video. After that, click on the Modify option and select the ratio settings to 9:16 since it's a short video. The next step is to drag all the voiceovers into the timeline. After that, add all the images into the timeline one by one, and make sure to match each picture according to the voiceover provided. I would be skipping this step since it's a little bit repetitive and boring. After all images are added, click on the first image and add animations according to your liking. Now, repeat this process of adding animations on the rest of the images. You can also add transitions between these images according to your liking. This will give a cool transition effect between each image. The next step is to add subtitles. To do that, simply click on Text, Auto Captions, select English Language, and Generate. As you can see, the auto captions are generated. After they are generated successfully, select all the captions and adjust their font name, case, style, preset, and font size, as you like. You can also add a shadow effect to fonts. To improve the readability of your captions, break them into separate lines. To do this, go to the Captions section. Click where you want to insert a line break and press Enter. Repeat this process for all captions until they are properly formatted. The next step is to add animations to our caption. For that, simply go to Animation tabs and select any of the animation you like for your captions and simply apply it to your captions. Once you have finished editing the captions, add the background music to the last layer. Trim the music to match the length of your video. Apply fade-in and fade-out effects for smooth transitions, and adjust the volume to ensure it complements the video without overwhelming the viewer. Lastly, some effects need to be added into the video. For that, simply explore various options and add them to the timeline as desired. Now let's take a final look at our video.
If you have acne on your skin, take milk thistle to contribute to healthier skin by reducing acne, eczema, and signs of aging. If you are sick, use dandelion because it boosts the immune system with its high levels of vitamins and minerals, enhancing the body's ability to fight infections and diseases. If you are fat and gaining weight, use artichokes because it promotes satiety, helping to control appetite and support weight management efforts. This natural herbal remedy blend combines all three of these supplements plus many more into a blend that contains all the natural herbs your body needs. It's called Liver Defend by Clean Nutra, and you can purchase them from the TikTok shop below.
Amazing! We just made a video that can easily generate $5,000 a month in less than 20 minutes. Now, you just have to connect your TikTok shop or Instagram shop with your product, and you can literally start printing money like crazy. Let me know in what niche you want a tutorial in the next video, and I will check it out.